I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Today on the 22-inch Blackstone adventure, we're going to make buckwheat pancakes. Just simple out of the box. We were going to do it at the lake, but Northeast Ohio, it's raining. But at least it's not snowing. So stick around, because this is going to be good. Alright, like I said, we're just using a simple honey buckwheat right out of the box today, just to show you how easy it is to do pancakes on this thing. I got a bowl. In here we have egg and oil that we got to mix, like so. Let's drop in our buckwheat. This is 1 cup of mix, and I'm just doing it right off of the package. So, I mean, I'm not trying to redo the wheel. So there's that. Let's drop in our egg. Yum. Give that a quick mix, just to get it incorporated a little bit. Yeah, I really wanted to be out at the lake, but things just don't happen. And this says slowly pour in. So we'll do it in 2 little stages, just so we're not getting stuff off or on the sides all stuck. And usually these package pancakes are bulletproof. I'm splashing stuff all over. You know, I don't need the fork since I got a spatula. Get that mixed in. And there's going to be little bumpies in there. That's the buckwheat. Don't worry about it. While we're doing this, I already had the grills turned on at medium. So let me switch you over to the grill side and we will make pancakes. Alright, we're on the griddle side. I got a Blackstone IR and temperature probe in one deal. And we're in Celsius. There we go. 399 degrees on this side. I turned this down to low. It heated up that fast. And 429, that's too hot. Even that's hot. But I got it. We're going to play the on-off game. I just turned this side off. By the time we get drop pancakes, it'll start cooling off. This side's on. This side is on boogie low. This side is completely off. Get some butter. I could drop oil on here. Matter of fact, with it being that warm, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on here, just a smidge, just to raise the smoke point of the butter so we're not doing brown butter. And then let's hit it with some butter. See, that's a little warmer than I would want, but it'll be good. Oh, is it just me? Or does everybody love that smell when you drop that butter on the Blackstone and get that woof of butter smell? All right, let's make a pancake here. It says it'll make 4-inch pancakes. I forgot my tape measure. So we're going to make that big a pancake. So I'm going to do 2 to start. And let me show you what I got to flip them with. This is a burger spatula that came with the Blackstone set. And no, I'm not promoting Blackstone, but come on. Tell me that's not a perfect spatula for doing pancakes. So look, they're already starting to cook. I got a little bit of bubbles going. We'll wait. I'm going to kick this back. Well, let's take a temp again. Yeah, see, we're down to 350 on this side. I'm going to go low on this side, low on this side, off on this side, because the pancakes are going to cook, and I'm going to put 2 more on. And I could load this bad boy up and get 8 of them on there easily, but No need. Not today. I just want to show you guys how easy it is. And again, I'm doing this in the garage. I got my cart, but I got this thing came with that table. So if I wanted to take this camping with me, I could just take the table, set the table up, give it a quick level, put this on top of it, and we're doing the same thing. Look at how good those are. I'm kicking the temp up just a smidge, just so they don't stop cooking. But you can see the bumps in there, but on the side, it's starting to get bubbles, and that's what we're looking for. Easy, man. This thing is easy. After you get it seasoned and do, I don't know, a couple of shots of smash burgers and a few 100 pounds of bacon, this thing is about as non-stick as you can get. And I'm saying that now I'll go to flip these things and they'll stick on here like glue. But I don't think so. Let's do this too. It's all about flavor, right? Give that just a little shot more. Those are a little thick, but look at they're starting to puff up, and I'm starting to see a little bit of change in color around the outside, and a couple of bubbles here and there. So we'll be patient, and I'll stop and bring it back right about the time it comes to flip them. Okay, I'm bringing you back. Let's give these a, hey, check it out. Let's give this a flip and see how we are. Oh my God, is that beautiful. Do the other one. Pa-boom. And now can you imagine being at the lake somewhere? I know you can hear the robin in the background just telling me I'm doing something wrong. But could you imagine being at a lake, waking up, climbing out of the frickin' tent, and seeing, you know, everything, and using this little thing? For 2, 3 people, 4 people, this is a perfect size. And I was asked, as I got my cart, why didn't I get the 35-inch? And because it takes up the same footprint as this cart. And it got more grill space. Well, the reason I did is so I can pick this thing up, which is still heavy as heck, but I can pick it up and throw it in the car, then we can go. Set it up. I can use a small propane bottle on it because it came with both regulators, and don't have to lug that big 20-pounder. And that's the only reason why I got the smaller one. So, answered that question. If you guys have any more questions, put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from anybody that wants to comment on good, bad, or indifferent. I'll answer every one. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not, because I'm going to keep doing these. And we'll have a bunch more. Look at that. I want to take a quick peek underneath. Oh my goodness. Put that on the off side. Ah, beautiful. I'm going to stack. Oh no, a piece broke off. We'll have to check it out. That's hot. Ooh, that's really good. And I mean, that's really good. We're starting to get hot again. You can see me smoking. I'm going to go just another dab of oil. And I'm going to start this whole process over again. You watch me make one set. I don't know if you want to watch me make another or not, so I'm going to let you all go. I am Mark. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do. Because everyone can grill. Have a great week.